My Eppie, lyric by Robert Burns, tune by James Oswald. The tune was called My Appie. It's a woman's name. I know my Eppie, my jewel, my Eppie, oh, wouldn't I be happy, be Eppie Adair. I know my Eppie, my jewel, my Eppie, oh, wouldn't I be happy, we Eppie Adair. By love and by beauty, by law and by duty, I swear to be true to my Eppie Adair. By love and by beauty, by law and by duty, I swear to be true to my Eppie Adair. And oh, my Eppie, my jewel, my Eppie, wouldn't I be happy, we Eppie Adair. Ah, please your exile me, dishonour, defile me, if e'er I beguile thee, my Eppie Adair. Oh, please your exile me, dishonour, defile me, if e'er I beguile thee, my Eppie Adair. Beautiful melody. I've taken that directly from Oswald's book as his original publisher, the Scots Musical Museum, had a musical editor who liked to meddle with the works of the great Scots composers. I don't believe he ever improved one of them. Changed one note in here, took a beautiful skip out of it, but enough about him. What's interesting here, as opposed to the way the song was published and is usually sung, is there's a clue in this note from Burns on his manuscript of the song to his publisher. He says, "The chorus is the first part of the tune, and the verse likewise must be repeated over again to take up the second part." Really sounds like he wanted the chorus repeated, doesn't it? The chorus is the first part of the tune, and the verse likewise must be repeated over again to take up the second part. So that's how I've done it. If you'd like to argue with me, leave a comment. Appreciate your listening. Been working on a book of Burns songs for 10 years, and going back to his source tunes and some of the early drafts. Anyway, very stylized piece, but makes a beautiful song. Please subscribe to my channel and be well.